Assalamu alaikum audience. So today I will discuss lecture number 62 and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So these vocabulary will help you in all competitive examinations. So the first one is staked. So to put or arranged something in a stake or stakes. Next one eerily, so something which is strange and mysterious. Next one, obscurantist, so opposition to the spread of knowledge. Next one, sobriquet, so nickname or by name or surname. Next one, poking, so to hit hard with hand, fist or some heavy instrument. Next one, tinctured, so color, shade, ting, uh, tone or impregnate. Next one, sinister, manhus, threatening, menacing, bad, harmful. Next one, rumors. So rumor is basically afwahe, mixture of truth plus untruth. So half-baked truth. Next one, jingoism. So Jungjoy, chauvinism, super patriotism, or nationalism, or blind patriotism. Next one, wane, so abate, decline, fall. Next one, floating, so malicious satisfaction, gloating, malicious satisfaction. Next one are depredations, so a destruction, action or plundering, loot mar, just like Mahmoud Ghaznavi did depredations in subcontinent almost 25 times. Next one, cavalier, so arrogant, high hat, pompous, uppish, huffy, or another meaning of cavalier is a gallant military man. Next one, vague. So the meaning of vague is unclear, muddy, obscure, mubham, mashkook. Next one, tripartite. So threefold, triadic, triple, triplex. Next one, pervaded. So interpenetrate, permeate, pela hua. Next one, portend. So ishara karna, signify, indicate. Next one, envisaged. So visualize, imagine, dream, ideate. Tasawwur karna. Next one, eminent. So superior, glorious, honored, renowned, reputable. Mumtaz, the meaning of imminent is Mumtaz. Next one, besieged. So surrounded by hostile forces, just like West Bank in Palestine or Gaza. So the occupied territory, simply we can also say that occupied Kashmir is besieged by the Indian armed forces. Next one, siege, so military blockade. Next one, precedent, so something which is prior in time, order, arrangement or significance. बेमिसाल नज़ीर, ओलिगार्की, सो तबका उमरा की हुकूमत, गवर्नमेंट बाई few people. Next one, charlatans, so quack, faker, imposter, fraud, or simply we can say neem hakim. Next one, demise, so demise simply we can say to death, expiration, end, dissolution or death. इंतकाल, nascency, पैदाइश, start, lunch, onset, inception. Next one, tenterhooks, so in a state of uneasiness, strain or suspense. Next one, fervors, fervour, enthusiasm, passion, ardor, warmth, emotion, josh. And the last one is enslave, so gulami, to subjugate. So it's all for today. If you people have any questions, so ask freely. and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Thank you and good luck.